Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another rather too brief video. Hope your weekend is well so far. Okay, so gonna try and make this a quick video. You guys know how much I love to talk, but that's only because I'm teaching you stuff. I want you to have the details. But anyway, I did this for another reason, to get rid of vermitid snails, and I'll link a video at the end of this so you can see it. Also, I'll link, as always, products in the comment section pinned at the top and the video description of what I use in each video. You're going to want to try this one. If you've got cloudy water or you just want your water to be crystal clear, this is a very inexpensive way to do it. This is not my aquarium pictured, by the way. I just really like the image, and you're going to be capable of getting water like this. So if you've got slightly cloudy water, first let me say, how do you get cloudy water? Well, the biggest culprits are the uneaten food that breaks down, the fish waste, and everything that floats in your aquarium water that you can't see. It's microscopic, and it contributes to your water being cloudy or not crystal clear. Also, nutrients in your aquarium are bad, the byproducts of uneaten food and fish waste and everything. Got to get that stuff out of there. And that's why you got to do weekly water changes of at least 10%, okay? 10% will be all right for you. Also, if you have a protein skimmer, that's going to help huge as well. This is going to help you huge as well. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to get calcium carbonate. Now, this is not going to affect your water parameters at all. It's not going to affect your calcium. It's not going to affect anything. What you're going to do is get yourself a 1 gallon jug, a bucket, whatever. And what I do is I'll put 2 or 3, sometimes 4, whatever, tablespoons of calcium carbonate in the bucket. It's not rocket science. If you want specifics, I guess you could do like 1 or 2 tablespoons per 60 gallons, roughly, okay? I have a 125 gallon saltwater tank, so I'll do 3 or 4 tablespoons. Put water from my aquarium in that bucket. Okay, I'm using aquarium water. You could use RODI. You could do this after a water change using RODI or fresh salt water. It doesn't matter. But I could do it right now. I'll get a bucket. I'll put it in my aquarium, a gallon, and then I'll put this calcium carbonate in the bucket or the jug, milk jug, whatever you're going to use, and swish it around. Stir it in. It's going to be very cloudy water, obviously. Then, with your power heads running, all you're going to do is pour it into your tank. Your tank's going to be super cloudy for maybe half a day, but you're going to see it clear up as the hours go by. What the calcium carbonate is going to do, it's going to bind to these nutrients and microscopic particles that are more difficult to get out because they're not as solid. So the calcium carbonate's going to bind to all this stuff so your filtration can take it out easier. And within the next day, within a day, your water is going to be very clear. This is not going to affect your corals. This is not going to affect your invertebrates or your fish. Everything's going to be fine. Try it out. I am doing this once a month now. It really helps to get that stuff out of your aquarium, the nutrients, which helps your water parameters and also makes your water clear. Why does it make it very clear? Because that stuff is not floating around in your tank microscopically to make your tank water look either green or yellowish or whatever. Even if you think your tank water is clear right now, you do this and you're going to be amazed. This is inexpensive. You can do it every other day if you want. You don't need to, but once a week is fine. Maybe once a month, maybe as needed. Maybe you do it before a water change, because what I do, I'll do it the day before a water change. The next day it's crystal clear, and then when I vacuum the sand bed, it picks up all the extra calcium carbonate that didn't get put through the filtration system, because you're going to have a little bit tiny little bit on the rocks. So then you can blow it off the rocks with a turkey baster the next day and then do your water change. I was amazed how it looked the next day. It was clearer, and I thought it was pretty clear to begin with. But after I did this, it was better. And again, a great benefit is it really helps to get those nutrients out of your water. Your skimmer is going to work harder. You're going to see it foam up more because it's pulling that stuff out of your water thanks to the calcium carbonate, making it more of a solid so it can pull that stuff out of your water column easier. Anyway, that's it. Video description for the calcium carbonate link. I get it off Amazon. Make sure it's food grade. You can get any brand you want. And happy reefing. Thanks for watching and subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.